Hello and welcome to my food class, and we have apples. So we are going to make an apple puff, which makes a nice dessert or a tasty breakfast. You will need 3 apples, pre-rolled puff pastry, and apricot jam or butter and sugar for the glaze. Set your oven to 200 degrees to preheat. If you have a machine, you can peel, core and slice the apples with that. If not, use a peeler, a teaspoon, a sharp knife. Line a baking tray with grease-proof paper and put your pastry on it. Cut the pastry into 2 long pieces, slightly wider than a slice of apple. Arrange the slices neatly on the pastry. For the butter and sugar glaze, gently melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Then brush over the apples and the pastry and sprinkle on the sugar. For the jam glaze, put 1 tablespoon of apricot jam into a microwave safe container and heat enough to make the jam runny. Then brush over the apples and pastry. Put the baking tray in the centre of the preheated oven for about 20 minutes. Take out and put onto a rack to cool. When cooled, slice and serve. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.